If you're looking for an easy to make delicious chocolate fudge recipe, then today's video is for you. Delight your taste buds with this amazing fantasy fudge. It's loaded with nuts and berries. I bet you won't be able to resist it. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from True Foundation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. So before we begin the recipe, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and have hit the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. So let's start making the recipe without wasting more time. We'll first melt butter in a saucepan. Our butter has melted. Now we'll add condensed milk and vanilla essence, then let it come to a boil. Meanwhile it's boiling, we'll chop some semi-sweet chocolates. Our butter and condensed milk mixture has also come to a boil. We'll remove from heat and add our chopped chocolate to it. We'll mix it until all the chocolates are melted. Now we'll add marshmallow cream or fluff to it. Followed by chopped almonds, chopped walnuts, cranberries, and some marshmallows as well. And mix it until we get a homogeneous mixture. As this recipe is pretty adaptable, you can do a combination of your favorites and use whatever nut or berry that you prefer. Our fantasy fudge mixture is ready. We'll keep this aside and prepare our tin. To prepare the ring, we'll cling wrap it twice. Then place a butter paper at the bottom. Now we'll pour the fudge into this ring and sprinkle some chopped almonds and walnuts on top. We'll keep it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours or until it sets properly. Our fantasy fudge has properly set. Now we'll remove the cling wrap and the butter paper from the bottom. Now to demold it, we'll use heat gun and run through the sides. Now we'll cut it into 9 equal pieces. To get clean edges, heat the knife before cutting it. Here you go guys, our fantasy fudge is ready. Hope you guys really like this recipe and do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.